Good day, colleagues. In this video, I will talk about how to update the Construction and Installation Works project, specifically how to enter the actually completed physical scope of work for the past week into the project file on Project Server using the PMIS Mobile version. First, let's look at the general scheme. Information on the planned physical scopes comes from Project Server to PMIS Mobile. After the site foreman enters the actual scopes from the site manager approves them, synchronizing with Project Server. In addition, the site manager enters information about the actual number of labor resources, the reasons for delays, problematic issues and project risks, and also attaches current photos from the project. PMIS generates a weekly report, which the site manager sends to all stakeholders via corporate email or messenger by pressing a button. It is important to note that until each assigned foreman enters the actual data into PMIS Mobile, the site manager will not be able to update the entire project. And so, let's begin. First, the assigned foreman logs into the system with their login and password. They select the project for which the actual data needs to be entered. The foreman sees a list of blocks for which work is planned, work that is started ahead of schedule, and overdue work. Clicking on the block name opens a list of tasks for which the actual completion must be entered in percentages or in natural units. If work was completed on the site that is not on the planned list, the foreman can add it by clicking the blue button with a plus sign, immediately specifying its name from the suggested list by clicking the blue search button. The system will offer all found tasks across all blocks. All that is needed is to click the Add button. After finishing the data entry, click the green button, thereby sending the document for approval to the site manager. Now the foreman clicks the photo button and attaches the pre-saved photographs. If necessary, the foreman signs the photo, indicating the location or other important information. After attaching the photos, they can close the Add Photo window. With this, the foreman completes their actions for entering the actual data by clicking the Exit button. Now the site manager logs into the system with their login and password. Opens the project that was submitted for their approval. After reviewing the data entered by the foreman, the site manager can either disagree by clicking the red button or approve by clicking the green button. After confirming the data from all foremen, the site manager can send the entire project data for synchronization with Project Server by clicking the button with the circular arrows. Navigating to the status information page, we see that the synchronization has not yet finished, so we can perform other actions. Uploading photos, click on the project name, and select the photographs. Click the green synchronization button. Now the site manager, if necessary, provides feedback on unresolved problematic issues or newly identified risks. Click the function selection button, then the circular plus button. Specify the type of work and formulate the unresolved issue or risk. As soon as the site manager saves the information, the system immediately sends it to the corporate chat, where all responsible employees and management are present, and this information is also saved in the project archive in PMIS. We return to the status page and can now enter the average number of people who worked in the past week. And also, in case of delays, we can specify the reasons for the delays by selecting from the directory or entering other reasons manually. Upon completion, click the function selection button and synchronize the project. Now that all statuses are green, the site manager sends the weekly report. After forming the entire report and uploading the photographs, navigate to the upper left corner. Click the Send to Email command. In addition to the report being automatically sent to the corporate email of all stakeholders, it will also be delivered to the corporate chat messenger.